as the largest sand island in the world, spanning 123 km in length and 22 km in width. This World Heritage Site boasts vast stretches of white sandy beaches, freshwater lakes, and lush tropical rainforests, and is inhabited by native wildlife such as dingoes and goannas. Whether you prefer the luxury of resort amenities or the simplicity of beach camping, it's the perfect destination to rejuvenate and reconnect with nature. Short on time? There are numerous ways to experience Cape Garry on an exciting day trip,